Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will solve the problem which is move zeros on LeetCode. Okay, so let's see what exactly is the problem statement here. Given an integer array nums, okay, move all zeros to the end of the array, basically end of it, while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. Okay. Note that you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. Alright, so this makes the question a little bit tricky sometimes because we have to basically modify the input array which we are given. Okay, so now how we can solve this problem. Before doing that, so let's see what exactly is the basically this one. So this is the input. So 0, 1, 0, 3, 12, and the output is 1, 3, 12, 0, 0. Okay, so all of the zeros are at the right side of the array. So let's see how we can solve this problem. So 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. All right, so let's go here. So here we will have 0, then 1, then 0, 3, 12. So how we can solve this problem? So to solve this problem, we can use two-pointer approach. But this two-pointer approach will be a little bit different than the regular two pointers where we have the left and the right. So basically, we will create our own pointer here at the left side, and the right pointer will start from the same place as well. Okay. So I hope that makes sense. So the left and the right pointers will be at the same position at the beginning. Now, what we have to do, we have to move all of the zeros to the right side. Okay, so I can say that that implies that we have to move all of the non-zero elements to the left side, right? So I can imply that. And this is something which we will use throughout solving this problem. All right, so what I'll do, I'll just do something like this, this, and this. So first of all, what I'll do, so first of all, our pointer, the left pointer will be at here. So the left pointer here, okay. So this will be the left pointer and the right pointer will be here as well, okay. So this will be the right pointer. Then the next iteration, what we'll do, we will have the right pointer pointing at this element. Okay. And now we will check if the left pointer is at 0 currently right now, what exactly is the right pointer here? If the right pointer is pointing at a non-zero element. If that is the case, then what we'll do, we will swap their positions. Okay. So in that case, what we will do, we will go here. So we will pick up the 0, pick up the 1, swap their positions here. All right. Okay. Now our right pointer is at 0. All right. So our left pointer is here as well. Okay. So we have swapped the positions. That is why what we have to do, we have to move our right pointer to here and we have to move our left pointer to here as well. Okay, we have performed a swap. All right. So now we will once again check if our right pointer is at a non-zero element. Currently it is at 0. So we will skip that and move to the next one. Okay. All right. Now we will once again check if our right pointer is at a non-zero element. Yes, it is. So we will swap their positions. So 3 goes here and the 0 goes here. All right. So we have performed a swap, and that is why what we will do, we will just move our left pointer to here. We will move our right pointer to here. Okay. Now we will once again check if our right pointer is at a non-zero element. Yes, it is. So we will perform our swap. So this 12 will go here. Okay. And the 0, we will go here. Okay. So 12 will be here. All right. And then what we will do, we have performed a swap, and that is why we will just move our left pointer to here and move our right pointer to here, which is out of bound. That means our algorithm is completed. And as you can see, after doing all of that, if you just go to here, as you can see, 1 3 12 0 0. So 1 3 12 0 0. So we are having our result array. I hope that makes sense. Okay. So in that way, we can perform this operations here to move all of the zeros at the end. Okay. All right. So now what exactly is the time complexity? So let's talk about the time complexity here of this algorithm. The time complexity will be big O of n, because at the worst case scenario, we have to traverse through all of the elements of our input array. What exactly is the space complexity? So the space complexity will be big O of 1. Why is that? Because we are not allocating any sort of space, right, to solve this particular problem. I hope that the algorithm is clear to you. And now let's go to the LeetCode and code the solution. Okay. So all right, we are inside of the LeetCode here. First of all, let's define our left pointer. Left pointer will be at 0. And we will not define the right pointer because we will get our right pointer from the for loop. So for right in range, and then we have to do the length of the nums. Okay. All right, nums. All right. So we are getting the right pointer here. And also, to be a little bit more clear, so number to move, that will be 0. Okay. So this number can be anything as well, but inside of our question, this number is 0 because we have to move all of the zeros to the right. Okay. We can move other numbers as well in this case. All right. So now what we will do, we will check if the nums of the right. Okay. So inside of the right index, which we are having here, basically the right index, we are checking for that. If that is not equals to basically the number to move, if that is the case, then we want to perform our swap, right? So inside of Python, we can do it in one single line. So nums of left comma nums of right, that is equals to nums of right comma nums of left. Okay. So this is how we can swap two numbers here. All right. And then what we have to do, we have swapped the positions. So we have to increase our left pointer and the right pointer. We are inside of a for loop. So the for loop will automatically increase the right pointer. So here we have to just increase the left pointer. All right. So this is basically it. So once again, what exactly is the time complexity here? The time complexity will be big O of n, and the space complexity, that will be big O of 1. I hope that makes sense. Okay. All right. So now let's run it. Okay. Our code is accepted. Let's submit that. And as you can see, this is our solution here, which is quite good. Okay. I hope that makes sense. So In this video, we have learned how to solve the move zeros problem. In case if you have learned something from this video, please like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and let's catch up in the next one.